Hi everyone, welcome to MsYoo Thai cooking channel. And today I'm going to show you guys how to make banana blossom salad. Let's get to see the ingredients. And this is banana blossom look like. Ground pork, shrimps, roasted coconut, tamarind juice, and this is very important for this dish. Fried onion, peanuts powder, shrimp powder, palm sugar, fish sauce, chili paste, coconut milk, salt. Alright, first I will boil the water for roughly the shrimps and pork. Just put half water in the pot, half water in the bowl. Put a teaspoon of salt and some of lime's juice. This is the secret way not to darken the banana blossom. It will make the banana blossom salad look appetizing as well. When finished, cut the banana blossom in half and put it right away in the salt water. And I'm gonna prepare another bowl of brine to soak the banana blossom slice. All right. Okay, let's cut the blossom. Cut in half. Put half back to the bowl. And slice it nice and thin. You have to a little bit speed on this step because the banana blossom is very easy to darken. Don't wait until you cut all the banana blossom and then put it in the bowl after you done slice it. And I will put just a little bit more of lime juice to make my banana blossom look nice and beautiful. Alright, perfect. Now the water that was boiled is boiling. So I will put the ground pork into the pot. And just a few minutes boiling, and be careful not to overcook. There we go. Alright, it's time to scoop out now. And scoop to the bowl. Perfect. Next one, put the shrimps into the pot and cook it for a few minutes as well. And done. Scoop it out. Gas on and very hot pan, and then put the coconut milk into the pan. Use the medium heat and keep stirring because I want the coconut milk become vegan and a lovely smell. Oh my god, smell incredible. Off the gas and done. It's beautiful. So after preparing everything's already, and now it's time to making salad. First, 6 tablespoons of tamarind juice. One and a half tablespoon of fish sauce. Palm sugar for 1 tablespoon. Then stir it and let the sugar dissolve. Chili paste to the bowl. Peanut powder. Shrimp powder. Fried onion. And 4 chili slices. If you guys don't eat spicy, so you don't have to add the chili into the dish. There we go. And I will grab 2 handfuls of roasted coconut and mix it. Oh my gosh, it's very lovely smell. And I will add ground pork, shrimps, and mix it, but you must be a little bit gentle. And squeeze the banana blossom sliced up and put it together with all the ingredients. There we go. And then mix it together. And the salad must be a 3 different flavor taste. It's sour, sweet, and salty. And done. And I will peel the eggs I was boiled earlier. And cut in half like this. There we go. Then scoop the salad to the plate. And place the eggs next to the salad like this. Oh man, lovely plate, huh? And then coconut milk to the top of the salad. Oh, how much should I put the coconut milk? It depends, much or little bit, just put as you like. And I'm gonna sprinkle with the fried onion a little bit more. It's done. This is one of my favorite salad. And not every restaurant will have this menu, even in Thailand. But we do have banana blossoms everywhere. And so easy to find it. But in America, you can find it in Asian market. Alright everyone, the banana blossom salad is already done. I hope you guys enjoy the video and I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe for my delicious YouTube channel for more. And I see you again on next video. สวัสดีค่ะ